Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using the Falling for Leaves bundle, and this is the cute little card we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so the card we are making today is super simple. I have some gold foil-edged cards, and they come in a pack with envelopes as well. And you get 20 envelopes and 20 cards. You just have to score them and they are set to go. All right, so I'm going to come in with my embossing buddy. Go ahead and emboss that. Not emboss it, but give it a rub down. All right. Going to bring in a scratch piece of paper here. I have my VERSAMARK ink pad, and we are using the Falling for Leaves bundle, and we're going to be using Harvest of Thanks for the stamp, and then we're going to be using the framelits for the leaves. All right, so I just want to put it right here towards the bottom. And I have this mounted on block H. I'm going to come in with my gold embossing powder. All right. You guys should really invest in this embossing powder. I love it, and it lasts forever. I think I got that when I first joined Stampin' Up. All right, so I'm going to come in with my heat tool. All right, so it says Harvest of Thanks. Now I'm going to bring in my Big Shot, and I have my precision base plate. Turn it around this way. And I have a piece of the shimmery white cardstock. I always forget about this one. I hardly use it, and I really need to because I love it. It adds so much shine. All right, so I'm going to put the detailed leaf down there. On the back of this, I do have the adhesive sheet. And then I have a gold foil piece, and I'm going to use the outside of the leaf. I will make my sandwich and run that through really quickly. And I always like to run it through twice with the more detailed framelits. All right, so we have that. All right, so I'm just going to peel the back off. And I'm going to try not to make a mess. There's still a couple more pieces. I'm just going to get my Big Shot die brush. Isn't this a godsend? Love it. I love all the tools that Stampin' Up! Has. It makes my crafting life so much easier. All right. So I'm going to probably put this down would be better. I'm going to center it just like that. Kind of reminds me of a snowflake. All right, so I'm going to pop this up with, you guessed it, some Stampin' Dimensionals. Well, here they are. And this card is very easy to do. So you can produce multiples of these if you wanted to. And I like the sentiment, harvest of thanks. So, just like that. And then I have some metallic pearls. Aren't these the cutest? They come in silver and gold. So, speaking of new tools, this is Take Your Pick tool. Isn't it super cool? Check it out. It's got some putty on one end to pick up like loose sequences and stuff like that. And it's got these interchangeable ends here. So it has the big and little stylus here, and then they lock into place just like that. So you don't have to worry about you losing your grip on something. And we have a little mini spatula. And then we have a little paper piercer, and it comes with a little lid so you don't hurt yourself. So I'm just going to pick those up. Put one there. And one right there. So there you have it, a quick and simple Harvest of Thanks card. Thanks for watching, and remember to order all of your supplies at sheilastamps.stampinup.net. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye!